Welcome to Mini Orange. Mini Orange provides single sign-on solutions for Drupal, and as we know that is the best SAML IDP solution available in the market. Let's configure Joomla as service provider and Drupal as identity provider. You can download the module from the link below. You will find the download link in the description as well. You can check installation steps on the download page of the module. Install the module. For instance, we install the module using Composer. Go to Admin Dashboard of your Drupal site and click on the extent. Search Mini Orange SAML Identity Provider in the search box, enable the checkbox, and click on Install button. This will install the module on your Drupal site. Now go to the Configuration tab and select Drupal SAML IDP configuration. Let's configure Joomla as a service provider. Navigate to the components and select Mini Orange SAML Single Sign-On. Then click on the Service Provider Setup tab. Click on Upload IDP Metadata button. Download the metadata file from Drupal and upload here. Download the metadata under the IDP Metadata tab of the Drupal module. Choose the downloaded metadata file and click on Upload button. Metadata imported from the Drupal to Joomla site. Let's configure Drupal as Identity Provider. In Service Provider Setup tab, under the SP Metadata section, download the SP metadata from Joomla, and upload here. Download the metadata under the Service Provider Metadata tab of the Joomla plugin. Choose the downloaded metadata file and click on Upload button. Click on Test Configuration button, and the user has successfully logged into the Joomla site. Let's perform SSO. Open a new browser or a private window, and go to your Joomla site. Click on the link to initiate the SSO from Service Provider. You will be redirected to the Drupal site login page. Log in with Drupal credentials. After successful authentication, the user will be redirected and logged into the Joomla site. Congratulations! You have successfully configured Joomla as SP and Drupal as IDP. Mini Orange provides the best single sign-on solutions. Thanks for watching.